That looks good. So what we got to do is take this.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's do it this way.
Let's do it this way. I just repeat what you say.
That's not the magnetic one.
That's not. You're right.
This must be for the bottom.
These come apart. Is this the magnetic one? That's the phone, the control. Just leave it. I don't see how this is a one-person job.
Bring this side down a little bit.
Yeah. There we go.
Did you want that finger?
Can you hang it in the wall with my finger in there? Nice. That turned out nice. Okay.
Oh, we almost missed these guys.
Oh, pull it down. Yeah, here, I'll hold this.
Just a little bit. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
It's going to be close.
I thought I had it.
Okay.
Okay.
Good enough.
That'll actually do better to help flatten it
out.
Well, we could use a penny. We could use a quarter.
You got all the money, honey.
We're big rollers. So, hey, we're big rollers. See? We each have a quarter. So let's pick a park that we've been to.
We've been to Acadia.
We have. Do we count that because we were fogged out when we were in Acadia?
We were very fogged out.
We went to Acadia in July, and we couldn't see the road in front of us. We got to the top of Cadillac Mountain, and all we saw was the parking lot. It was terrible.
It's not a good place to go if you have arthritis.
No.
It's very wet and damp every day.
Not that we'd know that. So.
Look how cute.
Nice. Okay, so we've been actually to
a lot of these.
Yeah, so on the top row, we've been to, I'll talk while you do that. We've been to the Arches, the Badlands.
Ooh, the Arches were awesome.
Yeah, they were. In the Badlands.
And we camped on the wall in the Badlands.
Yep, and that's on our picture. That's one of our profile pictures. You may have seen it on Facebook. Big Bend.
Wait a minute. Arches, that's where we had our beautiful dinner, isn't it?
Yeah, that's where we ate
was
at
that Moab?
Red, what was the name of that? Red Cliffs Lodge. John Wayne had a cabin there.
Red River Lodge.
Yeah, if you're in Moab, you head north out of Moab, and you go to the Colorado River and you turn right, and it's a lodge. I think it's called Red Cliffs Lodge.
They had a winery.
I'll find out what it is and I'll put it down and I'll post a picture of it too. It was beautiful.
Food was pretty okay. The views were amazing.
Yes. And we definitely have to go back because when we were there, it was 118 the night we ate. And it's not, I'm a big guy. It's not comfortable eating when it's 118 degrees. I think even for little guys, it's not comfortable, but it was worth it. The scenery was absolutely beautiful.
Big Bend, we were there.
We were at Big Bend. We were at Black Canyon. Can I do one?
Okay.
Okay. You know what? You're scratching that way. I'm going to go diagonal.
It's actually hard to get them all off.
Really? My quarter's working really well. Did I give you the fake quarter?
Everything you do is perfect.
Yep, that's me. You can tell by my first video with the sumo springs how perfect I am.
Okay, let me scratch it a little bit.
What's that? Biscayne? And we haven't been there. It sounds like an old Chevy.
Bryce Canyon. We got snowed out there.
And Canyonlands. Yeah, we did. It was August, and we got pelted with snow and ice. And
right as we were going into the park. Great Smoky Mountains.
I'll do that one.
We've been there a bunch of times.
We're going there in September, and we're going to take you with us. You.
We normally like to go the day after Thanksgiving because Gatlinburg
Pigeon Forge
does all their Christmas lights, and it's absolutely stunning.
There's a place called the Island, and they have a nice big Christmas tree and a Ferris wheel, and
moonshine tasting.
Yeah, the old Smoky moonshine tasting. we like to get our shine on sometimes. So
they have really good food there too.
Yeah.
Margaritaville.
Yeah.
Paula Deen.
Okay, let's see, Guadalupe Mountains. We were actually that's Big Bend. We were actually, but we didn't really do that, so that's a go back.
In Hot Springs, didn't we?
In Arkansas, no. Indiana Dunes, no. That's funny because as a kid, we used to go there because I grew up in Chicago. Katmai, Joshua Tree, that's in California, no.
We were close to King Canyon this summer, weren't we?
Yeah, Mammoth Cave. We were there.
Verde. We were there.
Oh, we've been there. Yeah,
Twice.
Twice.
Another great place to go back to.
It's beautiful. Yeah. Cascade Olympic, Petrified Forest. We were there.
Yes. I like the red rocks there. Petrified Forest wasn't too thrilling for me. But it was something to see.
Yep.
We passed it how many times and never stopped.
Yeah, never stopped. This time
so many journeys we passed it.
And actually, we came in the south entrance of the Petrified Forest, and we did the whole route all the way up to the north entrance. So we stayed at the Meteor crater in Arizona, which was really actually very cool. If you have never stopped at the Meteor crater in Arizona, we highly recommend it.
I made fun of him for wanting to stop and look at a hole, but I do have to say the tour they do, it was very, very interesting. It was
very interesting, and it was a lot of fun. And they
but
had
a one and done.
Yeah, and they had a gift shop, and NASA, I guess, studied there, and they trained astronauts in the crater, and somebody tried to drill in the center of it, Rocky Mountain National Park.
Ooh, we like it there.
Estes Park was beautiful. Saguaro National Park, and
we've been in more than just Estes.
Well, that's Estes Park is the gateway city for Rocky Mountain National Park that we were at. And we loved Estes Park. That was someplace that my dad took us every year for, I don't know, maybe 6 years.
We were at Gunnison.
Black Canyon and the Gunnison. Did you scratch that one? I saw it up here somewhere.
I didn't.
I saw it.
Zion. We were there.
We were at Zion.
That was one of our first big trips.
Saguaro.
Long.
I'm going to scratch off Saguaro, which is near Tucson.
That was pretty. I like Tucson.
I do, and that looks like a nice place to live. You would think that a place like Tucson would be very expensive, but it was actually really cheap to be there.
A lot of pretty views.
Yeah, a lot of pretty views.
Yellowstone.
Woohoo!
We like Yellowstone too.
Okay, where did Black Canyon go?
I guess we like all of these, don't we?
We do. We love our national parks. Let's take a look. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it better.
Light on.
Where?
Not that one. It's okay.
This is. Which ones are these?
It's called Hall Light.
There's a Hall Light switch?
Yes.
Where? Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
I've been keeping all our viewers in the dark. Both of them. I gotta get my beautiful wife in there. There you go. She did the Vanna. We forgot Grizzly. He was part of this too.
Oh.
Tell them, what are they supposed to do? They
hit subscribe
and like.
Yeah. If they want to see more of you,